Welcome to the 5-Minute Fix, a quick tutorial that you can apply to your bloggy biz in 5 minutes or less.
In this week's 5-Minute Fix, I'm going to show you how to customize your WordPress menus. So as you can see on my own website, I have two sets of menus. I have a primary and I have a secondary. Depending on the theme that you have, you may or may not have the ability to have more than one menu. But let me show you what this looks like on the back end of your WordPress dashboard. So to customize your menu, you go to Appearance, Menus. If your theme has more than one, you'll be able to choose from here at the top which menu you're currently working on. So as you can see, my primary menu I have set as my categories, which is what you're looking at here: content strategy, email strategy, WordPress, and business mindset. And you can see what that looks like here. My secondary menu is my top menu. So I have things like my home button, start here, work with me, a link to my blog posts, and educational content. And you can see what that looks like here. And I've created drop downs for a few of these different links. So with your WordPress menu, you can choose any combination of posts, pages, categories, custom links, anything like that for your menu. But you want it to be really well structured, and you don't want to have a ton of stuff. And if you're doing drop downs, you don't want to have a bunch of different drop downs because it'll just be really ugly and hard to navigate. So you want to figure out first what you want your main menu to look like. So let's go back to the categories because that's the easiest one to explain. So if you have a menu for your categories, you can go over to the sidebar here in your menus and you can click categories and view all. So this will show you all of the categories that you have currently in your WordPress site. If you have a lot of different categories or subcategories, you'll see more than this here, but you can simply select all, or you can go and select just one or two, however you want to do it. And then you just click add to menu. So as you can see, it drops them into my menu here. Now, if you want these to be a subcategory or a drop down, like I've done here, you simply grab one and slide it over and it'll bump it into place. You can then do this again if you want to share, say, a specific page. Let's do content strategy with a brain. We're going to add that to the menu. So if I want that to be even more of a drop down, I would drag it even further. So let's just, since we already have business mindset, if you want to remove something, you click on the little arrow and you just click remove. And now let's say we want to drag this under business mindset. So then you just save. And then we're going to go refresh this page and view what that looks like. So now when you come to business mindset, you can click on content strategy, and then you see a second drop down that's content strategy with a brain. And that's what that looks like here. So I'm just going to remove these. Don't want them there permanently. And I'm going to save. So as I said, you can go and add specific pages to your menu. You can add specific blog posts to your menu. Let's say you have a piece of cornerstone content that you want to link to under each category. You can select that cornerstone content and you can add it under the particular category. Pretty much anything that you have on your website, you can add to your menu. And it's just that easy.